Welcome to this webinar. My name is Michael Duek. I'm one of the product managers here at Airlock Anomaly, and the Anomaly Shield is a product that's in my responsibility. The Anomaly Shield is a component that analyzes session and IP address traffic and determines on whether that behavior of those sessions and IP addresses is regular and normal or not. If abnormal or anomalous behavior is detected, the Anomaly Shield will take action and prevent these sessions or IP addresses from continuing to hit your backend systems. What we're seeing here is the dashboard of one of the test systems here at Airlock Anomaly, and I'm going to show you on how to enable the Anomaly Shield. By the way, if you want to try this yourself, no license is required. You just go ahead and do it. You have to do it in production because without production data, this is not going to work very well because the Anomaly Shield requires real production data to analyze. Otherwise, it won't be able to determine on whether behavior is anomalous or not. Now, looking at the application firewall here, reverse proxy, I can show you that there is a few mappings configured on this system. What those mappings are doing is really not that important. What's more important is how the Anomaly Shield is set up. Before we're looking into that, let me show you a little bit on what's going on this gateway. You can see here on the Kibana dashboard that we do have some attacks, but if I'm scrolling down here, you will find that the Anomaly Shield dashboard is totally empty. If I look at the Gateway Anomaly Shield dashboard directly, then yes, there is some sessions detected, but there is no anomalous sessions detected because the Anomaly Shield is not enabled. That's about the dashboard you'd expect to see before you actually enable the Anomaly Shield. So let's get to it. I go here on the Anomaly Shield tab, and then I'm being presented with the Quick Start Wizard. The Quick Start Wizard is shown if the Anomaly Shield is not turned on, which I'm quickly doing now to show you, and the Anomaly Shield applications here need to be emptied. Let me turn off the Anomaly Shield to return to the Quick Start. We hit the begin button and it will now present me the most likely candidates of mappings that will profit from the protection of the Anomaly Shield. It uses heuristics with traffic and other input data to make you a proposal that most likely will show you how well the Anomaly Shield can protect your websites. So I hit the activate button, and the activation is going to take a little bit longer than normally because right now the Anomaly Shield is preparing its models, and this requires a bit of computation. No worries, the Anomaly Shield only uses limited amount of resources. The default is 2 CPUs from all the CPUs you have configured for your gateway, and it will not extend that neither for model training or during regular operations. Now I'm going to cut a little bit of the time here so you don't have to wait so long, but it will take about 30 to 45 seconds depending on the size of your machine. Okay, now we're done, and the regular activation is being run as you already know it. You can see directly from the Anomaly Shield main page that there is quite a few changes. Instead of the Quick Start Wizard, we now have 5 mappings and data collection enabled, detection and response enabled, and of course there's models now trained and enforced. So let's see on what this has done with the Anomaly Shield dashboard in Kibana. We can easily see that the display here has changed. We now find in the session assessment on the upper left-hand corner anomalous sessions reported, and there is now also data in the IP aggregate session where IP addresses have been reported as being anomalous. Looking further down, of course, in the donut of evaluated sessions here, about 1% of the sessions are reported as anomalous, and the top offender candidate list is now more meaningful with real content. I can, if I want to, drill down here by just hitting the plus button. It will give an additional menu entry, show details, and if you look at that, you'll find that here there is this session that has been reported as one of the top offenders, and looking at the entry path client errors, which basically means 400 type errors being reported versus the entry path server errors, which is 500 type errors being reported. You can see from the URL that these are WordPress includes being asked or selected here. And since I know that none of our websites uses WordPress, I know that this is some scanner that is trying to find weaknesses relating to WordPress. So this is clearly an attack. So that's it from this little video. I hope this was insightful, and let me know if you're trying the Anomaly Shield and whether it has worked as well for you as it did in this little presentation. And thanks a lot for taking the time to watch this video, and have a good day. Bye-bye.